You will smile, you will dream, you will learn, follow me to a world full of light, full of colors so bright. Oh, beadies fall and beadies fly, the beadies bring the world to life. You can run, you can play, you will learn from the page. There are songs we can sing that will solve anything. Oh, beadies fall and beadies fly, the beadies bring the world to life. It's beadies time! Laundry. Open up the book to the blue page. Beadie's in a hurry to use her paint. Everything is blue, Beadie is so glad. But the bucket slips out of Beadie's hands. What to do? Oh no, no. Paint is spilled on all the clothes. Oh no, no. It's not fair. What will Wolfie have to wear? Wolfie's waking up from a lovely rest. Now it's time for him to get up and dressed. Something isn't right, now our Wolfie knows. Paint is on the ground and on all his clothes. What to do? Oh no, no. Paint is spilled on all the clothes. Oh no, no. It's not fair. What will Wolfie have to wear? Hello, Wolfie. Look. All the striped shirts are dirty.
Well, my name is Wolfie, I know what to do. Whenever there's trouble, I'll solve it with you. Don't frown, little Beadie, no need to be sad. We'll clean all the clothes and we'll all be so glad. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will ask all my friends to help too. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will fix all the trouble with you. Let's go, little Beadie, we need you to paint. Some buckets with soap and some water today. We'll wash all together, come on everyone. When washing my clothes we can all still have fun. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will ask all my friends to help too. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will fix all the trouble with you.
What a great idea! Let's wash everything.
The bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full with water now. We'll take water now and pour water out, and we'll make it soapy now. We soap up the water, we soap up the water, we soap up the water, drop, drop, drop. We wash all the clothes, yeah, that's how it goes, with the water filled with soap. The clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, splash, splash, splash. We give them a rub, we scrub and we scrub, wipe the stains with all the suds. We wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, scrub, scrub, scrub. We rinse and we rinse, we rinse and we rinse, in the water till we're done. And now we will hang them, yes we will hang them, we will use a clothespin, snap, snap, snap. The quicker we hang them, the quicker we're done. Washing clothes is so much fun.
Well done, friends! All the striped shirts are nice and clean. Now it's time to sit down at the table. Take the spoon with your hand, scoop some porridge if you can in your mouth and sing along to our happy eating song. Yum, 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 yum. Give a spoon to everyone. Yum, 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 yum. Tasty, tasty, now we're done. Good night, friends. Don't forget to brush your teeth before going to bed. Our boat will go sailing deep into the night. The moon and the stars are alive in the sky. So please close your eyes and we'll all go to sleep. You'll snuggle in bed where your dreams will be sweet. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Time to sleep, little Wolfie, it's true. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. lanterns are shining, their soft and blue light. Our boat will go sailing deep into the night. The stars and the moon will make sure we're alright. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Time to sleep, little Wolfie, it's true. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Won't you show us what we all must do? I watch my balloon as it sails in the night. The waves take it soon, in the sea it takes flight. It flies to the stars, watch it climbing so high, until it's as far as the moon in the sky. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. In the sky I have sent my balloon. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I am saying good night right to you. I sail in my boat through the sea in the night, and here I will float 'neath the stars that are bright. I have no more fear of the storm in my way, because I am here as the captain today. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I can fix any trouble with you. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Time to sleep, little Wolfie, it's true.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited!